Привет, привет, как дела? Today we are going to talk about Russian cases. And cases are an important part of Russian language learning. Nouns, pronouns, adjectives, numbers, they are changed by cases. There are 6 cases in the Russian language, and today we are going to talk about the first case, nominative case. In Russian it sounds like именительный падеж. Words in the nominative case answer questions кто, who, or что, what. If you would like to know more about these words, you can check this video about the gender of nouns, and you will understand more about these 2 questions. And nominative case, this is the form of the word that is given in the dictionary. So we always learn new words in the nominative form. And there are words after which we have to use only nominative case. So always only nominative case. Let's take a look at these words.
Есть, есть. У меня есть кот. У меня есть кот. Это. Это моя книга. Это моя книга. Вот. Вот наш дом. Вот наш дом. Also, we use nominative case after adverbs of place. If you would like to find out more information about adverbs of place, you can check this video. So let's take a look at the examples. Впереди диван. Впереди диван. Наверху комната. Наверху комната. We use nominative case after verb like. Нравится. Нравится. Мне нравится твой фильм. Мне нравится твой фильм. I want to pay your attention here that we never change verb нравится. We change only pronoun, so we don't say я or ты, we say мне. And we change pronouns to the dative case. But we will talk about the dative case in another video. This video is devoted to the nominative case.
So thank you so much for watching this video. Спасибо. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. And also, if you wish to book a lesson, you can freely email us. You can see the email here or check it in the description to this video. Спасибо. Пока-пока.